Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm a Creative Memories Advisor. Tonight's video will be the first one in a series that I'm going to call 10-minute layouts. So this is a sample of the layout I will be teaching tonight. For tonight's layout, you will need a 12 by 12 base, then 5 different designer sheets. The first one we'll cut into a 6 by 12. The next a 6 by 6. The next one and also a 6 by 6. Then we'll need a 6.5 by 4.5 mat. We are going to make an oval journal box with the smallest oval with a blue blade on the outside. Then we are going to need 2 1/2 inch by 6 inch strips of a designer paper, and then 2 more 1/2 times 6 inch designer paper strips, 3 4 by 6 photos, embellishments or stickers, tape runners, a pen, foam squares if you like, and our trimmers. Let's get started. First, starting with your 12 by 12 base, one of my tricks is I like to use a title page of a paper pack. So I can save the white insert for something else. We are going to start with our 6 by 12 piece. And line it up. We are going to take our 6 by 6 piece, the first one, and adhere it. The second 6 by 6 piece. This collection is the Frost collection, and I tried to pick out papers that coordinated but had some contrast. The next piece will be a 4.5 by 6.5 mat. This one comes from the Winterberry collection. I'm going to adhere my photo. And use adhesive to put it down. The oval mat I cut from a Winterberry mat card. And adhering it down underneath the photograph. Then next I have my 1/2 6 inch strips. I found it easiest to put down a layer of repositional tape on the back of the photo, and then you can adjust so you can line it up just right. Then we'll center our photo in this upper square. The one thing I really like about this layout with the 3 different papers, all 3 pictures get highlighted in their own way. All right, and then we'll take our F strips, which are 1/2 inch by 6 inch. And again, just line it up. And then we will center it on the lower 6x6 portion. And now we're essentially down to just journaling and decorating. All right, I went ahead and added my journaling. This particular book is a memorial book for my mother's upcoming funeral. And the point of the book was to show my mother doing things. So we've been underlining the INGs, panning and exploring. So now we are going to do a little bit of embellishing. I like these stickers because they're matching the paper over there. And this was a vacation for my mother and her husband. So I think we'll put a little bit of love in here. Finding it so it looks the best. I did put some foam squares on the back of this one. Yeah, maybe it needs to go a little lower. So the love popped up. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And again, this will be the first in a series of 10-minute layouts. And if you like what you saw, please give me a like. And if you want to know when more videos are posted, just hit subscribe. Thank you again.